What if I told you that robots are starting to become aware? Not just executing pre-programmed commands, but actually remembering their past, understanding space, and interacting with the world in a way that feels shockingly human. This isn't science fiction anymore. What you're seeing is OpenClaw, a revolutionary new system that's giving robots a persistent memory, a way to learn and recall experiences just like we do. It's a game changer, and today we're going deep into how this technology could redefine our future with robots. Welcome to our iCreator Mastery. So, what exactly gives OpenClaw this incredible ability? It all starts with something called spatial memory. Imagine a robot moving through your home. With spatial memory, it's not just seeing a collection of pixels and obstacles. It's actively building a mental map, a rich, three-dimensional understanding of its environment. It records the layout of the rooms, the placement of furniture, and the identity of different objects. But it goes even further. It also incorporates the dimension of time. The robot doesn't just know where your keys are. It remembers where they were an hour ago, yesterday, or last week. This continuous recording of space, objects, and time creates a persistent, long-term memory that the robot can access and learn from. It's like giving the robot a personal diary of its entire existence. This is where things get truly mind-blowing. OpenClaw features a system called Spatial RAG, which stands for Spatial Retrieval Augmented Generation. Think of it as a search engine for the real world. You can literally ask the robot questions about its physical environment, and it will query its spatial memory to find the answer. Let's say you come home and can't find your wallet. Instead of tearing the house apart, you could just ask the robot, "Hey, where did I leave my wallet this morning?" The robot would then access its memory, recalling the moment it saw you place the wallet on the kitchen counter next to the coffee machine. It can describe the location, the time, and even the context of the event. This isn't just about finding lost items. You could ask, when was the last time the front door was opened? Or which windows are currently open in the house? This ability to query the physical world through natural language turns the robot from a simple tool into an intelligent, interactive partner that is truly aware of its surroundings and its own history within them. Now, you might be thinking this all sounds great in theory, but does it actually work in the real world? Absolutely. OpenClaw is not just a concept, it's an open source framework designed to be integrated with real, physical hardware. We're seeing it power some of the most advanced robots available today, like the incredible Unitary G1 humanoid robot. With OpenClaw, the G1 isn't just walking and balancing. It's perceiving and remembering, navigating complex environments with a new level of intelligence. We're also seeing it integrated with sophisticated manipulators like the Arrow Hand, allowing for precise and context-aware interactions with objects. By making the framework open source, the creators are inviting developers and researchers from all over the world to build upon this foundation. This collaborative approach is rapidly accelerating the development of robots that can see, understand, and remember, bringing them out of the lab and into our daily lives much faster than we ever thought possible. So, let's take a step back and think about what this all means. We've looked at the shocking idea of robots becoming aware through persistent memory. We've explored the core concept of spatial memory, which allows robots to build a rich, time-stamped map of their world. We've seen how the incredible Spatial RAG feature lets us query the physical world with simple questions, turning robots into knowledgeable assistants. And we've confirmed that this isn't just a simulation. The OpenClaw framework is already being implemented in cutting-edge hardware like the Unitary G1. The implications are enormous. This technology paves the way for truly helpful domestic robots, more efficient logistics and manufacturing, and smarter assistance in healthcare and exploration. We are at the very beginning of a new era in robotics, one where our mechanical counterparts are not just tools, but aware, intelligent partners. The future is unfolding right before our eyes, and it's more exciting than we could have ever imagined. If you want to stay on the cutting edge of AI and robotics and witness this revolution as it happens, make sure you subscribe to our iCreator Mastery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.